everyone, Rose Wildsmith here, and today I'm hopefully going to inspire you with some ideas of ways to decorate your shrine forms. In the last video I showed you how to make these out of recycled materials and papier-mâché, so go back and watch that video first if you haven't already. So first of all, I made this brainstorm of different things that you might want to use your shrine for. Let me know in the comments if you think I've missed anything. The first main category is decorative, which would work well if you're not religious or spiritual and you just like the aesthetic of the shrine form. An example of this would be the pieces on the right by Holly Jean Studios. They're beautifully simple and focus on colour and shape. Also, these pieces by Paper Moon Factory. The main consideration for this category is the function that you want it to have. Maybe to act as a holder for a candle or a plant. Also, the style, so how are you going to decorate it to fit your vibe? The next main category is devotional, and this is what you see with a lot of religious shrines. You may want to use your shrine as a place to offer devotion to something that is important to you, which may be a deity or a spirit. Here are some examples of Christian shrines, and something you see a lot is the use of gold. Likewise on this Buddhist shrine on the left here. These are Mexican nichos, which have a much more colourful approach, but you still see the use of gold and even glitter. Something else I noticed is the use of a circle behind the deity's head, which you see in both the Christian and the Buddhist shrines. Now, you might want to create a place of devotion for something else that's important to you, which could be something from nature. You could make a shrine devoted to one of the seasons, or one of the elements, or perhaps one of the celestial bodies like the sun or the moon. This artist, Georgia Warren, makes ceramic shrines, and she has added illustrations of wildlife as well as the moon. And I absolutely love the little bird shrines made by Janine Zlatkis. She lives in Mexico, I believe, and you can definitely see that she's been inspired by the Mexican nichos. Even in these ancient religious shrines you can see imagery from nature. This middle shrine is from the Japanese Shinto religion, and the main central image is of this sort of nature scene with trees and fields. I love these pieces by Holly Jean Studios, especially the one that's devoted to strawberries. My sister-in-law absolutely loves strawberries, so she would love this. Okay, another thing you might want to use your shrine for is to honour the memory of something important to you. So you could honour the memory of a departed loved one, a person or a pet, but maybe you want to memorialise a particular time or place, maybe your wedding or a special holiday. You see this a lot with Mexican nichos and the connection to the Day of the Dead. When I was researching this, I found a lot of Frida Kahlo shrines. Now, the final category is intentions. I really like this idea, but I didn't see many overt examples of this when I was researching. I was thinking you could use your shrine as a place to set your intentions, your goals or your dreams, and the shrine would also serve as a reminder of this intention that you have set yourself. For example, you may have the intention to follow a spiritual path, and creating a shrine to this intention acts as a kind of anchor. A classic example of this is the Memento Mori, which serves as a reminder that you are mortal and will die one day. This might encourage you to make the most of your limited time on this planet, or if you believe in an afterlife, it might help you to concentrate on living your life in a particular way. Now, we have covered all the ideas on the brainstorm, so I will just show you some inspiring pictures for the last part of the video. Where possible, the artists shown will be listed in the video description with links to their websites, so you can go and give them some love. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which kinds of shrines are your favourite? How do you think you'd like to decorate your shrine? Look out for my next video where I will be painting my own shrine, and I will see you then. Bye!